What is up everyone, welcome back. If you're brand new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Trumpatier and I make videos of cool projects I create, fun experiments that I do, and anything else that I deem worthy. If you're curious about the meaning of my name, here it is. Basically, it means be the best you can be. Beat the competition and your former self. In an aim to do exactly that, I'll be uploading a video every Friday so that I can eventually reach my goal of being a full-time YouTuber. I can't do this without you guys though, so if you enjoy this video or any of my others, please lend me your support. Leaving a thumbs up, sharing the video, hitting that subscribe button and bell icon, or any combination of these help out a ton. You have no idea how much I appreciate you, even if you just do one of them. Anyway, enough with the intro, let's move on to maybe setting a new world record. In last week's video, I showed you how to make 3 awesome flying paper aircraft, my favorite of which is this versatile paper airplane. To prove its versatility, I downscaled it to 1/64th the original size of the plane, which uses a full sheet of paper. The tiny plane, which I made out of some thin tissue paper, actually flew amazingly well, especially considering its size. I then continued making smaller and smaller airplanes, ending up on one with a scale of 1/128th. Here's what it looks like when I hold it. The process of making it isn't easy, requiring tweezers to help make the folds, and it still takes at least 5 minutes. When finished, it turns into a micro paper airplane that's barely even a centimeter long, 11.5 millimeters to be exact. If you want to try making this, I recommend that you first learn how to make the full-size version by watching my previous video, and then practice downscaling. With airplanes this small, folding them normally isn't usually enough. You almost always have to adjust the aerodynamics by creating some flaps before it will glide. I did some searching online for the world's smallest flying paper airplane, and while there were quite a few results, they all either didn't fly or were fairly large. Which means that I may have here the world's smallest flying paper airplane. So let's go see how it does. Filming an airplane this tiny is nearly impossible between having trouble tracking it against a white background and the camera losing focus and going blurry. But I did manage to get a few decent clips, and as you can see, this little thing does indeed fly. And it flies pretty well at that. However, it's also very volatile. It may fly for one throw, and the next throw it's spiraling down to the ground. If you're looking to recreate one of these micropaper airplanes, I recommend just making the next size up that I tried, using paper that's 21.4 by 16.5 millimeters. The difference in the size of the plane is negligible, but at this size the airplane is a bit easier to make and performs better too. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Now you know that it's possible to make a micro 1/128th scale paper airplane that actually flies. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next Friday.